For making chicken shashlik, we need few skewers, 300 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes, 1 onion, 1 capsicum and 1 potato all cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, oil for frying, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. For marination, take a big bowl, put chicken cubes in it, then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar and mix it again and keep it aside for an hour or two. For vegetarians, you can substitute chicken with paneer. Meanwhile, add half cup of oil in a heated pan and fry potato cubes on medium flame until it's cooked. Now remove the fried potatoes and keep it aside to cool. For assembling the chicken shashlik, first put the capsicum, then marinated chicken cube, onion, potato, again the chicken cube, then tomato, onion and capsicum. Repeat the same for all the skewers. You can also add different colored capsicum like red, yellow and orange to make it look more colorful. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the chicken shashliks on the medium flame. Brush some oil on the top as well. Keep changing the sides until the chicken is cooked. Chicken shashliks are now ready. You can serve it with Szechuan chutney.